Hello, this is Shree for Just Nailed It, and today I am doing a manicure and taking part in Charlie's nail art in a collaboration that she does each month and every few days. This theme is skulls and skeletons. So I have got 5 stiletto nails. I have painted them black from Dew in a Bottle Spotlicious. Cured that. I double cured it because black has a tendency to wrinkle, so you want to put thin coats of black on. I hear white does it too, but I've never had that experience, just the black I have. So I've cured that. I've got my little notes off to the side of what I'm going to do. We are going to do a foil nail, which is my little piece of foil right here that I can't seem to pick up. Like from Day of the Dead maybe, or I don't know, let me see here. I don't know, but it's really pretty though. That is from Charlie's. All these products here are from Charlie's except for this bling. I'm going to be using this. Yeah, it's too cute. Really too cute. I have got 2 little skeletons. Let me pick one of these up. I'm going to put those on a nail. I'm going to put some bling, and I'm going to do a sugar nail. Everybody knows by now I love a sugar nail. She Modern used to produce a line of it. They no longer do. I am one of the few who has some of them, which really excites me. So let me see. I'm going to do the foil nail first, which is the baby, the pinky. I am going to use the McCart nail foil glue. Love this stuff. I was turned on to this product by a few different ladies. They swore by it, and now I swear by it myself. I think this is just a great product. I tried a few others. Right now I won't like mention their names. I'm not trying to put anybody out on Front Street. But I do love this product here by McCart. Got this on Amazon. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp for 30. I have this new lamp. It's by Karina. It's a 72 watt lamp. Got it off of Amazon. Can't remember the price off the top of my head right now, but I'll put that in the description box. Oh, we go. So, checking this out. So far, I like it. I've only played with it for like a hot minute. Let me see if I can get the box. Pull up the lid. So, this is the lamp. I think it is really super cute. 72 watts, 2-in-1, which is the LED. UV. The handle here, this pink piece that you see go around it that lifts up like a handle, which is really cool. The only thing I don't like about it, it's got this little ledge right here, this little lip. Don't like that. Don't like that at all. So I kind of went on a shopping frenzy like 2 days, had about 4 lamps. I'm not too sure why I did it, but I did. Well, whatever. So we are going to take our foil, lay it down in the middle of the nail. I'm going to rub. I also have my silicone tool here. You can take this, rub it alongside the nail. Rub-a-dub-dub. So we are going to slowly lift up. See if this is taking effect. There we go. There is our first nail done. Our next nail we're going to do, we are going to put, look at my little pumpkin out. It's October, it's the month of Halloween. So this is a stand that I got off AliExpress. With shipping, this thing was like $8. It came with 6 little pegs. Black ones, which are used someplace else right now, but whatever. We're going to put this baby on this nail, I believe. So, I'm just going to use some nail glue by Infinite. This video does contain PR items. YouTube has changed their, or whatever you want to call it, their rules, their guidelines. So you have to put that in your videos, your description box. There will be a bubble right up in the corner here somewhere. It will say PR items used. So there's the cute. I do want to put, let me see, where's my top coat? Okay, the top coat I have on my desk currently is Beetle's Top It Off. So I want to put just a little bit of bling down the center of the nail. Just a little bit. You're gonna top coat the nail. Maybe hold it good. Top coat the sides here. And we're gonna add this and they're all upside down, wouldn't you know it? Guess I should get a frame. Should get a frame. This is like my first official Halloween video of 2020. I'm gonna stick this in. We're gonna try it for 30 seconds. Whoops. Got the right time on there. So we're going to try it for 30 seconds on here, see if it cures that well. I'm getting parts really super easy today. So our next nail is going to be our sugar nail. I'm going to use She Modern Glue Gel, which is for glitters and pigments. The lamp is really bright, isn't it? I don't even have my other lamp light on. So I did a 30-second cure. Oh yeah, oh yeah. So here we are so far. I think that's cute. But we're going to use She Modern Glue Gel. We are going to put this on, and this is the glue that is going to adhere our sugar. Make sure you coat the entire nail. Do not leave nothing untouched. Because you want your full nail coated with the sugary goodness. Yes, you do. I'm going to be using the black, sorry about that, Black Hollow Sugar Crush. Having like a brain fart here. I'm gonna silence my phone, so we don't have to have that happen again. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. Please click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Let's see. I need a palette. I'm going to tap, 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 put us some sugar all over the nail. A little bit goes a long way, but I do want to make sure this nail is entirely coated. And let's get the tip. Don't forget the tip. What I'm going to do, what I like to do with pigments, glitter, stuff like that, I just like to push it in the glue. Just push it in. Get your sides, make sure they're coated real well. Brush my hands off real quick. Push it in. I think that is beautiful. I don't think the camera's picking it up too well, is it? There we go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this back on the lamp. And just let that glitter, the crush, sugar crush, adhere into the glue better. I'm going to take me a fluffy little brush. Brush that off a little bit. And I think this is just beautiful. I love a sugar nail. I really do. So our next nail is the index. We are going to put some more glue, but infinite on the nail. This stuff bonds really fast. Really fast. There's one. Oh no, it's not exactly how I wanted it, but it'll do. That's how quickly it holds it. Yep. Those are two little skeletons. I think that is so cute. I think I'm done with the glue though. I think I'm done with the glue. I'm going to top coat around this. And I'll put it back on the stand. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Also gonna top coat the foil. So we'll be putting these back in all at one time together. Now our thumbnail, we are going to put some bling. I have black, like blue black, but I don't know if that would have worked well on here if you could see it. So I didn't get that out. So I'm just using Beetles to top it off. I don't know if there's going to be a playlist with everybody's videos or not. If there is one, it'll be pinned down in the comments. So yeah. Check out my description box. There should be a list of participants. And that way you can, go to their channels, go see their stuff. Could be Instagram, I'm not really certain right now. I'm not really certain. I think this is really pretty. I love the way it sparkles. So I'm going to put this on the nail, on the stand, I mean. I'm going to pop this in the lamp. We are going to give it a full cure, and I will be right back. Alrighty, we are back, fresh out of the lamp, and let me see. Yeah, we are fully cured. This is a 72 watt lamp off Amazon. I give it a 2 thumbs up. This is my skull and skeleton manicure for Charlie's Nail Art for Collab 4. Forgot the date. This is really cute. Loved how it turned out. I hope you do too. Love, love, love. Well, leave me a comment down below with your thoughts. The good, the bad, the ugly, I guess. And we'll be back throughout the week with other Halloween videos from now until the 31st of October. But this is our first Halloween one. Hope you've enjoyed. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to my channel, please. And have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.